of the first things you need to do is pop your hood. Once you've done that, go ahead and grab onto this right here, flip it up, go ahead and draw it away. You might have to tilt it down to get it underneath there. Grab your headlamp assembly, carefully pull it away, and then if you were to look at the back, you're going to see the pigtails for the headlamps. Go ahead and grab that, turn it counterclockwise, carefully remove it. Do the same to the other one. Now it's going to be time to install the headlamp. Go ahead and grab these bulbs, start them, line them up, twist it, lock it in. Do the same to the other. Okay. Now we're just going to come around the back side of the grill here, just like this, come up and over that, and then rest this right in. This should line up right along there, and then this should line up right down here. Now we're going to get our pin in here. It's a good idea to just clean it up if you can, get off any of the rust that might be on it. Get it close to where I want it. Now I'm just going to bring the headlamp over. Squeeze this in. Bring it right on through. Line it up with this one. Flip this over. All right, so now it's going to be time to test these lights. We've got our headlights on. We've got some high beams. Check that directional, make sure it works. Perfect. We're sure that the lights all work. You'd want to just adjust the alignment of your headlamps. If you were to turn this to the left, it's going to bring the beam up. If you turn it clockwise or to the right, it's going to bring the beam down. This is going to be a general tutorial on how to aim your brand new TRQ headlamp assemblies. Okay, so looking at your brand new TRQ headlamp assembly, you're going to see where your low beam is, and you'll see a little dot right in the center. And that is the axis point, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to mark that with an erasable marker, just so it's easier to see. Next, what we need to do is measure from the level ground up to this point and take note of that measurement. Now we're just going to pull the car up to our wall. On our vehicle, we remember that the measurement was 28 inches for our access point. Your vehicle may be different, but that's where I'm going to put this tape, just above that 28 inches. We'll do the same on the other side. Okay, so let's just back the vehicle up, straight back 25 feet from the wall. And now that we moved our vehicle 25 feet back from the wall, we're going to start with our measurement here. That's where the headlamp center is. We're going to go down 4 inches on the driver's side. On the passenger side, we have our line here. What we need to do is go down 2 inches. To adjust the driver's side, we're going to cover our passenger side headlamp. If you look at the back side of your headlamp assembly, you're going to see something that looks like this. This is the adjustment. Some of these headlight assemblies have 1, 2, or even more of them, but you should at least have one. This is how we're going to adjust the headlight beam. Now we're going to lower the top part of the beam down to just below this line. When you turn the adjustment to the right, it brings the beam up, and if you turn it to the left, it'll bring the headlight beam down. And this is this way on most vehicles. Let's continue on to doing the passenger side. All right, we properly aligned our TRQ headlamp assemblies. Okay, and on the quality TRQ headlamps for a pickup truck, the procedure is going to be the same. You're going to find your center dot, mark it, and then you'll measure from the level ground up to your dot. So once your headlamps are properly adjusted, it'll be time to adjust your fog lamps. You'll notice on the driver's side, the focal point is all the way at the bottom right now. I would like to bring it up so it meets up with approximately the bottom of the focal point of the headlight. Some fog lamps have an adjuster, others don't. The ones that do have an adjuster, you would just turn the adjustment to the left or to the right to adjust the beam up and down to where it needs to be. Now with your TRQ headlamps and fog lamps properly aligned, you can drive down the road safely.